Welcome back to Space Kids. Today, we are taking an amazing trip through our solar system, our home in space. A vast neighborhood of planets, moons, and mysteries, all orbiting one powerful star, the Sun. So buckle up, young explorers. Let's begin our cosmic journey. At the very center of our solar system shines the Sun, a giant ball of hot gas and plasma. It's so big that it makes up 99.8% of the entire solar system's mass. The Sun gives us light, warmth, and energy, the power that makes life possible on Earth. Without the Sun, there would be no plants, no oceans, and no humans. It's the heart of our solar system, and everything else orbits around it. Closest to the Sun are the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These are called terrestrial planets because they have rocky surfaces. Let's meet them one by one. Mercury, the smallest planet, and the fastest one too. It zips around the Sun in just 88 days. Daytime temperatures are extremely hot, but nights are freezing cold because Mercury has almost no atmosphere. Next is Venus, sometimes called Earth's twin because they're similar in size. But don't be fooled, Venus is covered in thick, toxic clouds and is the hottest planet of all. Surface temperatures can melt metal, almost 475 degrees Celsius. Then comes our beautiful Earth, the only planet known to have liquid water and life. It has oceans, air to breathe, and a perfect distance from the Sun, not too hot, not too cold. And finally, Mars, the red planet. Mars is cold and dry, but scientists believe it once had rivers and lakes. Maybe one day, humans will walk on its surface. After Mars, we reach the asteroid belt, a vast region filled with rocky objects. These are leftovers from the early solar system that never formed into a planet. Some are tiny as dust, others hundreds of kilometers wide. The largest of all is Ceres, which is also classified as a dwarf planet. Beyond the asteroid belt, we enter the realm of the gas giants and ice giants, much larger than Earth. First, Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. It's so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter's atmosphere is full of storms, and its most famous one, the Great Red Spot, is larger than Earth itself. Jupiter also has more than 90 moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Next is Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings. Those rings are made of billions of tiny ice and rock particles orbiting the planet. Saturn is huge and light. If there were a bathtub big enough, it could actually float. Then comes Uranus, an icy blue planet that spins on its side. Scientists think it was knocked over by a massive collision long ago. Its atmosphere contains methane gas, giving it that cool blue color. And finally, Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. It's dark, cold, and incredibly windy, with storms stronger than any on Earth. Neptune's deep blue color and mysterious clouds make it one of the most beautiful worlds we've ever seen. Beyond Neptune, the Kuiper Belt. Even farther out lies the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy worlds and dwarf planets. One of them is Pluto, once called the ninth planet. Pluto is small, cold, and distant, but still fascinating. Its moon, Charon, is almost the same size, so they actually orbit each other like a pair. Beyond the Kuiper Belt, the solar system fades into the Oort cloud, a vast shell of icy bodies that marks the edge of our Sun's reach. No spacecraft has ever gone that far, yet. Our solar system is part of a much larger family, the Milky Way galaxy, with billions of stars, each possibly having its own planets. When you look up at the night sky, remember, every tiny star you see could have its own solar system too. From the blazing sun to the frozen edge of the Kuiper Belt, the solar system is full of wonders waiting to be explored. And who knows? One day, you might be the one to discover something new among the stars. Thanks for watching Space Kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep looking up.